From hiring to retiring, your complete HR process, streamlined and effortless. This is the full HR journey. It may look complex, but it's simpler than you think. Let's start with step 1. This is where the company first identifies and attracts the right candidates to fill open positions. Once selected, the new employee completes digital joining formalities and gains access to company systems. Employees are introduced to company culture, policies, and receive initial training for their specific role. The HR team sets up salary structures, benefits, and incentives as per the employee's role. When an employee retires or leaves, we manage a smooth exit and process final settlements. Workforce needs are analyzed to determine which roles need to be filled in upcoming periods. Approved job openings are officially created within the system for recruitment. The job postings are published internally or externally to invite applications. HR decides whether the position will be filled through internal promotion or movement or external hiring. Here we wait for the response from the applicant. Qualified candidates are shortlisted based on experience, skills, and eligibility. Shortlisted candidates are invited for interviews to assess their suitability for the role. Once selected, a job offer is shared outlining compensation and employment terms. An official appointment letter confirms the employee's joining and position. Employee details such as personal data, contact, and documents are recorded in the system. The reporting manager and department hierarchy are set up for each employee. Any salary revisions or benefit updates are made as per company policy or appraisals. Key performance indicators are tracked, and periodic appraisals are conducted for growth. The company's annual holiday list is defined and shared with all employees. Work shifts and attendance are automatically managed through the HR system. Different leave types, eligibility, and approval rules are configured in the system. Ongoing training programs are conducted to improve employee skills and productivity. After onboarding, employees are assigned to their respective departments or projects. Performance goals and key result areas are defined to measure individual contributions. Training sessions are scheduled, attendance tracked, and outcomes recorded. Employees can be transferred or relocated between branches or departments as needed. Based on performance, promotions are processed with updated roles and salaries. Company-wide salary and incentive plans are created to maintain fairness and consistency. All statutory deductions like PF, ESI, and tax liabilities are managed automatically. Monthly payroll is processed to calculate salaries and generate pay slips. Employees can submit their business expense claims digitally for reimbursement. Salary advances, if taken, are tracked and adjusted in the next payroll cycle. Salaries and payments are securely transferred to employee accounts. When an employee resigns, the system manages approvals and notice period tracking. An exit interview is conducted to gather feedback and improve HR policies. Retirement or voluntary separation is handled with all financial benefits processed. Before exit, the remaining leaves and absences are verified for final adjustment. All department-level dues or asset clearances are confirmed before settlement. The employee's final dues, gratuity, and benefits are calculated and released. This entire process ensures every employee's journey, from hiring to exit, is seamless, transparent, and fully managed through our smart HR system.